my goal was just to like do wholesale real estate and then start flipping
Wholesale?
houses. Yeah, wholesale.
Well, I just had a
Wholesale.
call. I just had a call from a kid in Florida. He started out doing wholesaling. Understand though, right? That's kind of like that's kind of in a way it's active work because you're out there finding homes, evaluating them, and then finding somebody else to basically buy them once you have that under contract. That's the whole idea.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like it is a job in a way. So if you want to do
What's a way
that
like to start in real estate, basically?
at your age, well, I'll tell you how I plan on starting in real estate. When I again, my biggest thing is just financial freedom, and that's gonna come from basically having a paid off house and everything like that. When it comes to buying, for example, rental properties, I want to buy rental properties between in the ballpark of around 150 to 250 to maybe $300,000. I buy them, I put 20% down, making sure the comps actually make sense, and I'm not overpaying for a property, and I basically can rent it out, pay it off. Once that's paid off, I move on to the next one, the next one, the next one, and that way I have cap rate, which basically means all the cash that I actually make from that is all mine. There is no mortgage or anything like that, but it's a lot slower. Another way is you do, for example, the BRRRR method, which basically means you buy, you renovate, you refinance, and then you rent it out, or you resell, and then you repeat, whatever you want to do. But you put down 3.5%, you stay there for a while, and then you move on to the next property, next property, next property. It's a fast way to get there, but it also takes on more leverage. And more leverage usually means, for example, more risks. If things go wrong, you still have all those mortgages on your head.
Yeah.
And if you want to do wholesaling, it's basically you going out there looking for properties that are actually undervalued, finding a contract with an exit strategy, and looking for an investor to basically buy the contract from you to then basically buy the property, and then they cut you on the difference of it. And then flipping properties, you basically finding properties that are undervalued, fixing them up, renovating them, and basically flipping them. That's all it is. But it is a job, so there's more taxes involved with that because it's short-term capital gains tax.
You've got to stay